Hello, good morning and welcome. It's Thursday, the 2nd of February, and it's 20 minutes past 8. We will start, as always, with the AUD CAD. The Australian dollar has had a bit of strength overnight. I was surprised, but it has shot up, and we are short the AUD. We're short the AUD on the dollar. It is 2-to-1 short on the CFTCs, which has been a change from it was about break even last week. So we're thinking that over the next 2 or 3 weeks we're going to see that come down a little bit, but it did go up last night, and you can see that on this chart here. We're looking to sell, so if it goes above this 70 line and then turns back down on the AUD CAD, then we'll be happy to enter, but not at the moment. We are in the AUD USD. Well, that's as I say, that's gone against us a little bit overnight, but we'll see what tomorrow brings. Brent. We're also in Brent oil, and we've got 2 positions on there, and it is at sort of about a 2-week high. So we expect over the next few weeks to see that come down. Again, on the COTs, you've got bearish on Brent oil, heating oil, all types of oil are negative. It was the figures, the reserves that pushed it up yesterday. So there we go. And if you look, this is the RSI is on a 26 period, and if you take a mean line through it, this red mean line, we are actually below the line at the moment. So that normally means it's in sort of like a bearish mode. See, when we crossed the line here, that was where we started this big hike up, and then when we came back down here, it did enter into a bearish mode. So this is actually sideways movement at the moment. Personally, I don't think it's going much higher, but we'll see how we get on with that. Euro CAD. It's the RSI. It's at the 50. There isn't a low risk entry point here at the moment, as far as I'm concerned. So I will leave that one. Euro JPY. Yes, I mean, there's so much potential in this, but at the moment it's just going absolutely nowhere. If it pops up again, I will short it back down through. This is just sideways movement. Euro USD, I'm in it. It's shot up on me. I've got a small loss on that at the moment, so we will see tomorrow how that goes. Euro GBP, there isn't any extremes on it. Nothing I'm going to trade today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Well, this is becoming interesting. If this can make the 127, we will sell it down on weakness. That looks to me like a good short through there. I was in this yesterday and I got out just slightly below. This is where I got in out there. I believe this is going to pop back up here today, and then I'll get back in short. I've really made a lot of money on this pair. I noticed, and this is very interesting, on the S&P 500, it's down to 22750. It was down a bit lower than that 10 minutes ago, but this is a daily chart. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got 4 short candles, some of them quite large. It does appear to be flagging about here, making it might just break that level. But if it closes Friday below 22.76, I think it signals a bear market, and that will be good for the Japanese yen. We had negative divergence on the daily chart with the RSI last week, the end of last week, and now we're seeing a follow through down short on it. So we'll see where that goes, but it's looking very, very hopeful for a big move on the USD JPY. So I am quite excited about that. USD CAD, blood and sand. It's actually gone lower than I thought it would. But we are bears, we are bulls of the USD, and I'm bears of the Canadian dollar. It's oil currency. I might take another small position down here just for the hell of it, but very disappointed that's gone short on me. But hey ho, that's Forex. Yeah. As you see now, again, this is a 26 period RSI, and we're below this red line, and the market has observed this line on a few occasions. So we're south of the line. I don't know if we've got to an extreme yet, but when we get back above it, I would say that's bullish. So I'll consider I'll consider that, and we'll see how we're going tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Cheers now.